we are going to discuss the formal charge. All of you look at here, the formal charge. If I say any molecule, okay, say any molecule, if I am taking that CO2 molecule. Here, on the CO2 molecule, the net charge on the CO2 molecule is 0. Okay, the net charge on CO2 molecule 0. If I say any molecule, for example, NH4 plus 1, okay, and CO3 2 minus, okay, and also O3, the entire charge is 0. Okay, here I am writing so many structure, that is CO2 molecule and also NH4 plus and CO3 2 minus, O3 minus. The molecule in carbon dioxide, that is CO2, is 0. The entire molecule is having a total charge is 0. There is no plus or minus charge on CO2 molecule. There is no plus or minus charge on CO2 molecule. That is, the total charge on CO2 molecule is 0. Is it? If we come to the example NH4 plus 1. In this example, the charge on the entire molecule is plus 1. Here, now the question arises to all. Okay, now the question arises to all of everyone. That is, the plus 1 charge, either it belongs to the nitrogen or it belongs to the hydrogen. Okay, this question arises to the all of them. Okay, that we are going to discuss. Okay, here also in CO3 2 minus, here the 2 minus is the charge on which molecule? That is the question. Okay, either it on the carbon atom or it on the oxygen atom. Okay, here also O3, here there is no plus 1 or minus 1 charge. That's why the total charge on O3 molecule is 0. How we are going to write this 0, plus 1, minus 1, plus 2? How we are going to write? That we are going to discuss on the formal charge. We are going to discuss that one. Okay, in this example, basically tells that any molecule, I am taking NH4 plus 1. Any molecule, plus 1 charge belongs to, although it belongs to entire molecule, but it belongs to nitrogen or hydrogen. The individual charge atom, the individual charge on atom we are going to discuss, that we call it as formal charge. ಏನು formal charge ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, the individual charge on the molecule we are going to discuss, that we call it as formal charge. By the definition, the formal charge can be defined as, how we are going to define, I will discuss later. Okay, first we are going to calculate the individual charge on the molecule. The individual charge of an atom is nothing but formal charge. Okay, the individual charge is nothing but formal charge. Individual charge on atom is nothing but formal charge. The formal charge. Then how we are going to calculate the formal charge? ಹೇಗೆ formal charge ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? The formula, by knowing the formula, we are going to calculate formal charge on each atom. Okay, formal charge which is equal to the total number of valence electron. Total number of valence electrons. Electron ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಈ ತರ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. Get it? The total number of valence electron on each atom. Okay, on the atom. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು atom ನ total number ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಮೈನಸ್ the number of electrons has lone pairs. Okay, number of electrons has lone pair. Okay, for example, I am taking oxygen. Okay, I am writing on the oxygen there are 6 number of electrons and there are 6 number of valence electron on the oxygen atom. If I am writing another oxygen molecule, the total number of valence electrons are 6. In this molecule, to get octet, they share their electrons, 2 electrons each other. Here, how many number of valence electron on oxygen 1 and oxygen 2 means, here on the oxygen atom, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 number of lone pair electrons. Okay. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ನ ಕೇಳುವಾಗ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ನ ಕೇಳುವಾಗ ಓಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್. ಒಂದು ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 4 ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್, 4 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, 4 electrons has lone pair. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 3 4 ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 4 electrons has lone pair. Here also 4 electrons has lone pair. Here how many number of electrons as bond pair? ಅಂದ್ರೆ shared electrons ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ number of electrons as shared ಅಂದ್ರೆ number of shared electrons ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ electrons ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you have to count the number of electrons. Here how many shared electrons on each of the oxygen atom anta andaga 1 2 3 4. Got it? That is 4 shared electrons anta ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Get it? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಡ, ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Okay, number of electrons has lone pair minus 1/2 into the number of electrons, number of shared electron or number of electron shared. Okay, number of shared electrons. Get it? This is the formula to calculate the formal charge. It is very easy, no? That is the total number of valence electrons on atom minus the number of electrons as lone pair minus 1/2 into the number of shared electrons. Get it? Okay. Then how we are going to define this formal charge means the difference between the valence electrons in an isolated atom. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಆಟಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಐಸೋಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ, ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆನ್ ಫ್ರೀ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಐಸೋಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅಂಡ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಓಕೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಸೈನ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಲೇವಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸೈನ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕಳಿತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಸೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ನ? ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ D/F ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ನ B/W ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ನೀವು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ the valence electrons in the number of assigned to that atom, the number of electrons, meaning complete agala, number of electrons assigned to that atom in Lewis dot structure called formal charge, okay, are called formal charge. Get it? This is about the formal charge. This is the definition of formal charge. That is, formal charge, it is defined as the difference between the valence electrons in an isolated free atom and the number of electron assigned to that atom in a Lewis dot structure antandre bond pair and lone pair anta. Get it? That we are going to define as formal charge. It is nothing but the individual charge on atom, we call it as formal charge. Okay, now we are going to discuss by taking the example. Let us start with the molecule, that is carbon dioxide, that is CO2 molecule. Okay, CO2 molecule. Let us start with the CO2 molecule. Already we know the overall charge on CO2 molecule is 0. Okay, already we know how we written as 0, we are going to discuss now. Okay, now we use it to draw first step ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, that is the first step, that is we have to write the Lewis dot structure. First we write the Lewis dot structure for carbon dioxide, that is the number of electrons, that is the number of valence electron on carbon atom is 4. For CO2 molecule there is 2 oxygen molecule, that's why I am writing the 4 electrons like that. 1 2 3 4. Okay, oxygen there are 6 electrons on the oxygen, valence electrons are 6. And here also there is a second oxygen atom, here also I am writing 6 electrons. To get after these oxygen shared their electrons with the carbon dioxide and it will become 8 electrons, and this also it shares 2 electrons to the oxygen atom, then it will become 8 electrons on oxygen, carbon and oxygen. I am taking for our convenience, I am taking this oxygen as 1, this oxygen as 2. Carbon is as it is. Okay, for carbon atom, okay, we are going to calculate the formal charge on carbon atom. Okay, carbon atom, you know, the total number of valence electrons on carbon atom is 4 minus the number of lone pair electrons on carbon atom. Look at this carbon atom, there are 4 valence electrons. The 4 valence electrons are shared with the 2 oxygen. That's why here there is no lone pair electrons on carbon atom. That's why 0 electrons, 0 lone pair of electrons minus 1 by 2 in the formula. Okay, I am writing how many number of shared electrons on carbon atom. You have to count 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay, each side 4 electrons are shared with the carbon atom. Okay, now that's why total number of shared electrons on carbon atom is 8 electrons. Then 2 ones are 2 4s are 8. Then 4 minus 0 minus 4 plus 4 minus 4, which is equal to 0. The formal charge on carbon atom is 0. Then we are going to calculate the oxygen 1. Oxygen has the valence electrons on oxygen is 6. Then how many lone pair electrons on oxygen atom? 1 1 2 3 4. Then 1 by 2 into how many shared electrons on oxygen 1? 1 2 3 4. 4 shared electrons on oxygen 1. then 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Then 6 minus 4 minus 2, minus 4 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 6, which is equal to 0. On oxygen 1, it has the formal charge, and on oxygen 1 is 0. Then what about the oxygen 2? As it is oxygen 1, that is valence electrons are 6. The the lone pair electrons are 4, minus 1 by 2. The shared electrons are 4. Then 2 2s are 6 minus 6, which is equal to 0. That's why the total number of charge, okay, the addition of total number of charge, which is equal to the total charge on a molecule. Here, adding the formal charges, adding the individual charges on each of the atom, we will get the total charge of the molecule. 0 plus 0 plus 0, which is equal to 0. That's why the total charge on CO2 molecule is 0. Get it? The formal charge is nothing but the individual charge on an atom. The formal charge of carbon is 0. The formal charge of oxygen 1 is 0. The formal charge of O2 oxygen 2 is 0. The total charge on a molecule or a compound is also 0. Get it? Now we are going to discuss the another molecule, that is O3. Okay? We are going to discuss O3. It is very important for your examination, and I am going to give assignment to you all. That is, you have to calculate the formal charge of NH4 plus NH4 plus 1 and CO3 2 minus. You have to calculate the formal charge and total charge of molecule. Okay, I will write it here. NH4 plus 1 and CO3 2 minus. You have to calculate the formal charge for these two compounds. Okay, this is for your assignment. Then we are going to discuss the example of O3 molecule. Here there is a 3 oxygen molecules. Okay, first we have to, the first step to find the formal charge, that is, first we have to write the Lewis dot structure. I am writing 3 oxygen molecule. Each oxygen molecule has valence electron, 6 valence electrons. Is it 6 valence electrons? Okay. And assigning oxygen 1, 2, 3 like that. First, oxygen number 1, oxygen number 2, oxygen number 3. To get octet, it will share their electrons with each other. Okay. And this is fully 8 octet complete. This is octet complete. It needs 2 more electrons to get octet complete. But it is fully completed. Even though it is fully completed, it gives the 2 electrons to this oxygen atom, and it accepts these electrons. Means this is sharing with these electrons, but it is not taking. ಅಂದ್ರೆ accept ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಿಲ್ಲ, it giving. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ share ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂತಾನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ 2 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಟೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ formal charge on oxygen 1. Okay, formal charge on oxygen 1. Then already we know the total number of valence electrons are 6 minus lone pair electrons. How many lone pair electrons? 1 2 3 4. 4 lone pair electrons minus 1 by 2 into number of shared electrons are 4. 1 2 3 4 4. Then 2 2s are 6 minus 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 4 minus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus minus ಇದ್ದಾಗ add ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. Okay, 4 minus 4 minus 2, that is 6, which is equal to 0. On oxygen 1, The formal charge on oxygen 1 is 0. Okay, then we are going to calculate O2. The formal charge and the total number of valence electrons are 6 minus how many lone pair electrons here. You have to observe carefully. This is very important. Don't get confused. Here I am telling these two only the lone pair electrons. This is not. Why? Because it is sharing electrons. We call it as these two electrons are shared electrons. There is no, we are not called these electrons are lone pair because these two electrons are shared to this oxygen atom. That's why these are participate in the bonding. That we call it as coordinate bond anta heli kariತೀವಿ. That's why these two electrons are not shared electrons. Okay. Here in the oxygen 2, only 2 electrons are, we call it as lone pair electrons, and 1 by 2, the number of bonding electrons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is a 6 electrons in the bonding. That we call it as shared electrons and they kariತೀವಿ. That's why 6 electrons. 2, 3s are 6. Then 6 minus 2 minus 3, that is 5. 6 minus 5 which is equal to ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ that is plus 1 ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ plus 1 charge on oxygen 2. The formal charge on oxygen 2 is plus 1. Get it? The formal charge on oxygen 3 we are going to calculate. The valence electrons on oxygen 3, there are 6 valence electrons on oxygen 3. And how many lone pair electrons anta heli ಕರೆದಾಗ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, these are all 6 electrons are, we call it as lone pair. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎರಡು electrons ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲ. That's why we call it as these two are lone pair electrons, these two. Total lone pair of electrons are 6. Then 1 by 2 shared electrons ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಪ್ಪ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? shared electrons ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎರಡು electrons ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು shared electrons to oxygen ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. That's why it is 2 ones are 2 ones are get cancelled. Then 6 minus 6 which is equal to 0. The 6 minus 6 minus 1. 2 ones are 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Okay, that's why 6 minus 6 which is equal to 0. Then minus 1. On oxygen 3, the formal charge on oxygen 3 is minus 1. Get it? Then what about the whole charge on O3 molecule? I told you people that is 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ +1 ಇದೆ, -1 ಇದೆ, 0 ಇದೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ whole charge 0 ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ? Then we are going to add up all the formal charges. That would be equal to the final charge on the molecule. ಅಂದ್ರೆ add up all the formal charges on each of the atom, that would be equal to the whole charge on the molecule. So I am writing 0 plus 1, 1. Plus 1 minus 1 which is equal to 0, no? That is the final charge on the molecule. The formal charge on each of the atom, that is oxygen 1 is 0, O2 is plus 1, O3 is minus 1. Then final charge which is equal to the adding the all formal charges which is equal to the final charge on the molecule. The final charge on the oxygen molecule is 0. Get it? Then go to the next topic. This is about the formal charge. I given 2 examples, that is NH4 plus 1, CO3 2 minus. You have to calculate the formal charges and overall charge on the molecule. Get it? Go to the next topic.